Hi everyone, Paul Lange with Disciplined Trading Strategies and this week's Trade of the Week video. This is the week ending 6/25 of 2023 and the stock was MU. I believe that's Micron Electronics. This happened on Wednesday the 21st. Strategy based on a 60-minute DTS sell setup. This is just a great example of a very nice clean 60-minute chart. Entry on a 1-minute be the tail. The management advance reward risk 1.9 to 1. This whole thing was done by 11 o'clock in the morning, about a 1-hour trade, just before 10 to just before 11. Come join us, free members, whether you pay for anything or not. Members are free at DTS to enjoy a lot of educational events. Monday night, we have the bi-weekly scanning night. Come join us for that. And on Wednesday, we will have the DTS educational event, strategy versus entry. This is going to be one of those good ones, a lot of education, a lot of charts. I think you'll enjoy it. Come join us. If you're not a member at DTS, you can be a free member. Just go over to the DTS homepage. You can see it at the bottom there and figure out how to become a free member. Daily chart of MU. The daily chart here, we're going to open right here. Nothing really special about the daily chart other than it had this kind of failed move higher. A couple of lower highs in here. That's all I need to see. I'm not trading the daily chart per se, so that's all I needed to see in here. The thing of beauty is really the next chart, the hourly chart. This is just kind of a picture perfect setup in here to me because you have a couple of wide range red bars leading us down, retracement back. We opened the morning right in there. Just a little bit of a gap down it was. And I'm actually going to be shorting that little rally, that topping tail. When you know charts and you have the confidence, you can short something like that. When it pops, take a short even though there's no weakness, as you would typically call it. 5-minute chart, you can see the entry and the numbers here a little bit better. 5-minute chart, we're going to open there and then we're going to short in there, just coming off that high. Just a couple minutes after the open. Entry under 66.95, stop over 67.45. We're underway. We had a quick drop to that first support area. I've been a little quicker to take targets recently because we're just not getting as big a moves. So it took a 1/3 target there on a trail as we hit that prior low from the prior day. Glad to see the stock didn't bounce much. We had a very hard drop. I intended to hold a third to the end of the day and take a second third, but we dropped so much I just took the whole 2/3 here, which ended up being a good choice because it never really went much lower. So 2/3 out on a trail there over 65.67. 1-minute chart just gives you a little better detail on the entry, not really learning a whole lot here on the 1-minute chart. Entry there under 66.95, and then of course target 1 was there, and target 2 you can just see it as we trailed over those bars right in there. I like this chart because it's just a good example of just a nice clean setup, an ordinary move, nothing special. If you look at the chart, this is no big huge move, but yet it made a really nice profit. If you like trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. You can go over to the DTS homepage, look at the subscription services tab, and figure out how to join us. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.